Hello everyone, I am Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I am going to showcase my course. Okay, so name of the course is Intercultural Competence, Global Skills Intercultural Competence. Here you can see the summary of the course. Here is the summary. Then this is the logo of the course. Then this is video showcasing the course on page summary. So here I play.
In today's globalized world, most people...
So basically I am doing this course with Patricia. Then add an overview with the syllabus of the course. So here is an overview and the syllabus. So here you can see week 1 introduction, week 2 cultural being, week 3 intercultural phenomena, week 4 local and global roles, and week 5 reflections. So basically this course is of 5 weeks, and here are the objectives of the course. So this is what they are going to learn. Then we need to add a short bio of the facilitator. So since we are 2, so this is my bio with LinkedIn profile, and this is Patricia's bio with LinkedIn profile, so that even learners can know more about us. After this, add resources and activities. Now as far as resources and activities are concerned, we have added resources and activities from week 1. So for example, if you click on to week 1, so this is introduction. So basically they need to introduce themselves. So we have added couple of activities here. So first of all, they need to locate themselves. Okay, so since we are talking about intercultural competence, so they should know where they are from. So that's why we have used this Padlet wall where they can locate themselves. Okay, they can just click onto this plus button, okay, and then type name of the city or name of the country, and it will locate over here. Then second activity is introduce yourself. Now in this activity, what they need to do is they need to introduce themselves using their nicknames. Okay, so maybe they can add an adjective and the first name, and this is what they can do. And the adjective must have the same first letter as your name. So this is what they need to do, and yes, they can use this chat. After this, explore and share your culture. So this is one activity which is given to them. So what they need to do is they need to explore and share the following aspects of their culture. So etiquettes and manners, food and cuisine, religion, music, customs and traditions, clothing and costumes, games and pastimes. Then yes, for each and every week we have added support forum. Okay, now this is for week 1, and apart from that we are going to hold meetings, weekly course meetings. So they are going to be held on Google Meet. Okay, so and these meetings will happen on Saturday at 7:30 a.m. EST, and so these are common. So support forum for every week, and weekly course meetings will happen every week. So these are the activities we have added in week 2. Now if you go to week 1, so if you go to week 2, now these are the activities we have added. So you can see, so apart from activities, again some more activities are to be added, because we are going to introduce or offer this course on EVO 21, Electronic Village Online 21. So again we need to work on all these things. So here there are some tests, actually quizzes. How do you communicate? So they need to answer these questions. So if they click onto this, they will get the questions over here. Okay, so here they need to just rate themselves, right? So here scoring and interpretation is given. Here are the questions. So question number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Okay, if it is usually, then they need to give 3 points. If it is sometimes, they need to give 2 points. So this is for question number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Similarly, so all the scorings and interpretations have been given. Okay, so this is what they can do in week 2 activity. And apart from that, we have got one more activity where they can identify themselves whether they belong to high context culture or low context culture. So again, interpretation is given here. Then, as I told you earlier, okay, we have added support forum for each week, support forum and weekly course meeting. Yeah, so time and day and platform will remain same. Then if you go to week 3, now week 3 is of intercultural phenomena. Now here they are going to identify their cultural intelligent quotient. So this is based on Early and Mosakowski, okay, which is proposed in 2004, okay, and it has a set of questions. So in each category, so for example, again when you identify your CQ, it will be divided into 3 areas. So cognitive CQ, physical CQ and motivational or emotional CQ. So if you look at each CQ, each cultural intelligence quotient, so if you look at cognitive CQ, so you will get 4 different questions. So they need to score themselves. Okay, so how do they score? Okay, if their response is say strongly disagree, then they can give 1. If it is disagree, they will give 2. If it is neutral, 3, agree 4, and strongly agree 5. So they can score themselves over here. And once they are done with the score, then they need to total their score. After that, they need to divide by 4 and they will get the score. So if their score is above 4.5, okay, an area of CQ strength, so they are good at that area. And if it is less than 3, then an area calling for improvement. So basically they need to work on that. So similarly, so this is for cognitive CQ. Similarly, we have got physical CQ and motivational or emotional CQ. So this is one interesting activity which we have put. Now again there is one activity where they need to watch this relevant video, okay, where they will get a lot of information related to cultural behaviors, okay, and they need to share their reflections and comments. Then cultural types, the Lewis model. So again in this activity they need to read the article, okay, so this article on cultural types, and they need to write their comments or they need to write their thoughts and reflections. And yes, we have got support forum for each week and we have got weekly meeting for each week. So that was week number 3. Now we shall go to week number 4. Now week number 4 is local and global roles. So in local and global roles, so here they need to work in a team, okay, so they need to team up, okay, so teaming up discussion forum is given and they need to team up. So here some rules are set, okay, so they can team up up to 5 on a team. Then again here video tutorial on the aspects of country's culture. So here one assignment is given to them and they need to prepare a video tutorial. Then we have got coexistence of different cultures. So again they need to watch this TED Talk video, okay, and they need to share their reflections. And yes, I mean for every activity they need to respond to other participants on the course too. Then here again key differences in negotiating styles globally. So what they need to do is they need to refer to this link, okay, so here they will find an article and again they need to write their reflections. Then developmental model of intercultural sensitivity, in this case they need to read an article, okay, and they need to write their reflections. And we have given further reading, okay, and we have got support forum and weekly course meeting. And our final week is week number 5. So week number 5 is reflections. So in reflections, actually, yes, I mean they can add all the video files, all their work on this course, okay, so they can use this Padlet work. They need to just click onto this plus button and they can add their post. Again we have got support forum and weekly meeting. So these are the activities and resources we have added on this course. Now after this, what we were supposed to do is we had to add at least 5 topic sections. So this is what we have added, 5 topic sections, okay. So since we are going to offer this course for 5 weeks, okay, so we have got minimum 5, actually it is more than 5. So we have got overview, introduction, cultural being, intercultural phenomena, local and global roles, reflections, Yeah, so these are the sections which we have added. And finally, certificate of completion. Then add a video introducing each section. So as I have shown you here, okay, so we have, okay, so put one video. Okay, let me take you to introduction overview first. Okay, so here we have added one video. So similarly, we are going to add video to all the sections. Okay, so since it is in process, okay, so we are not done with our course. Okay, it might take couple of weeks. Okay, so we are contacting experts in this area because we are going to offer this course on EVO 21. So that's why we haven't finalized any video tutorial to introduce that section. Then add at least 4 badges. Yes, we have added 4 badges, not exactly 4 badges, we have added more than that. So let me show you the badges that we have added. So again I need to go to course management, then badges. I just wanted to show you the badges. Okay, so manage badges. Okay, yes, so these are the badges we have added. Okay, for every week we have added badges, so you can see these badges. Okay, so badge status, criteria, recipients. Okay, so everything has been added. So since we have responded to this, so you can see recipients too. Okay, similarly we have added badges to each and every section. Okay, so this is all about badges. Again, let me take you to the course. Then added certificate. Yes, we have added certificate too. Okay, so if you just click on to this, okay, so yeah, so this certificate has been added. Okay, I see completion certificate has been added. Then add one guest, one manager, and one other method of enrollment. Yes, even we have done that too. Okay, so let me just take you through enrollment thing. Okay, so I click on to this, then I'll just click on to participants so that you can see all these different roles. So you can see here learner, manager, facilitator, manager, learner, learner manager, learner manager, learner. Okay, so I have added all these different roles on this course. And enroll the facilitator. Yes, I mean, since Patricia is the facilitator, so I have enrolled her. Yes, so this is what we need to we had to do, okay, to showcase our course. So thank you for watching.